So claim your dogs to Binance and get additional 20,000 dogs under 4 minutes. So when you come to your account, you click on dogs. That's where your balance is showing. Then it will bring you an option where you can select another exchange. It says choose another option. So then you click on choose another option. That's if you've already connected it to an exchange before. Then here you have exchange wallet in Telegram, the non-custodial. That's the non-custodial Tonkeeper, my Ton wallet, etc. But here you click on exchange. So when you click on exchange, you are going to see different options: Binance, OKX, Bybit, Byget, and Gate.io. But here our focus is on Binance. You can see it's boldly written up to 20,000 dogs on TGE. That's token generation event. That's the listing that is coming up. So you are going to select Binance, then you click on what? Send here. You get that? So it's just like a bonus if you choose Binance. So he said, do you have an account, Binance account? So if yes, you click on yes. And if you no, check the link in the description of this video. You're going to see the link to start your own registration. Then he said deposit address and memo. So I'm going to show you now in Binance how you can copy your deposit address, that's dog deposit address and memo. Then you come in and paste it there. So when you come to your Binance account, so this is your home page for your app. So you're going to come to wallet here. You can see wallet. So when you come to wallet, then you select deposit. This is deposit here. So when you select deposit, so here you are going to search for dogs. So please make sure you pay attention. Dogs, DOGS. Then you search. You can see the dogs here. So you are going to tap on it. So this aspect is very important. You can see the dogs you are choosing is what? Ton coin. That's on Ton blockchain. It says choose network. So the network is on Ton. It's on Ton blockchain. So make sure the dogs you are selecting is this. So you are going to click on it. Then it says both memo and address are required to successfully deposit your dogs. Please pay attention carefully. So now look at it here. Here network, that's Ton blockchain. Then it said deposit address. Look at deposit address here. So this is the deposit address. So you're going to copy the deposit address. Then your memo, dogs memo. You can see here. So that's your dog memo. So you're going to copy. So then you now proceed to your dogs account on your Telegram. So you come here, you can see deposit address. So you paste the deposit address at the first place. Then the memo, you copy the memo, then you paste it here. So that's just the simple way on how you can actually connect it. So when you are done connecting, then you click on what? Send. You can see this is where to paste your deposit address. Then also your memo, the same thing. When you are done, you click on what? Send. So do well to like, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section. And if you're yet to join my Telegram channel, use the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel. See you next time for more updates.